Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going somewhere. I still don't know where we're going. Man, I should probably figure that out before I start videos, but I really wanted to record the videos and I really wanted to take some pictures. So we're going to be going somewhere. Trail probably. Going to be taking pictures. It just finished raining outside. Don't know why I showed the blinds that you can see outside, but yeah, it just finished raining outside. So it's going to be pretty wet. I haven't taken pictures out in the wet. In the wet? What? I haven't taken pictures out in the rain, so we'll see how that goes. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow the IG. That is Dominic B_photography. Yep, let's get into the video. As you can see, we are here at the spot. There's two different trails. There's a marsh trail and then there's a waterwalk trail. I'm thinking about going on the waterwalk trail just because the marsh trail sounds really bad, especially because it just rained. So I will be back once this GoPro is hooked to my chest. And we are strapped in and ready to go. I think I'm gonna take some pictures before we even start getting on the trail, low key. I don't think I can get on the boat. I'll take a picture of the boat though. It looks hella like foggy though. Can I go on this? I'm pretty sure I can. I don't know why I wouldn't be able to. It just rained, so this water is like super high up. And if you guys are from my Instagram, you guys know that I love pier pictures. So maybe I gotta clean off my camera. Oh yeah, that looks kind of better. I don't know if I like this picture too much. It might look good. We'll see. We'll get a picture of just the, yeah, like that. It looks nice. Let's get a picture of the bridge. Actually, let's get a downward picture of the pier to the bridge. Yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. This kind of like overcast that's going on is kind of nice. I'm not used to taking pictures when it's just finished raining. I'm usually just like, I'll take pictures another day. I'm gonna have to start doing this. I've taken a picture of this bridge before, but it was from the other side. We'll see how this side goes. And then those water reflections, yes sir. I love me some water reflections. It's a little overexposed. There we go. Oh, that looks good. Yes sir, and it feels amazing outside because it just rained. Let's get some over here. Just turn up. Kind of like it like that. I don't know if I haven't taken pictures in like a while, but my camera's looking extra. Oh, I didn't say. if you want to know what camera I'm using and what type of lens I'm using, it will be, let's see if we can get something cool like through here. It's worth the try, you know. Don't know if that's gonna, you know, come out nice, but it's worth the try. It's something unique. But it's going to be, my camera and my lens are going to be in the description, and the type of GoPro that I'm using is going to be in the description. What is that? There's like fish or something hopping out of the water. What if it's a shark? Okay, I don't know why I just said that. I'm sorry. Just a nice little landscape picture. You can never go wrong. I don't know about this one, but it's kind of nice. Might look good after I did it. Let's see if I can get one with the pier in it. Kind of like the boat picture. Ooh. It's kind of nice. No, I don't think I like it with the pier in it. Let's see. We can take a picture though. Use the piers as like a frame. Okay. Now we can hit the trail. Now we can go to the trail. Waterway Trail, Marsh Trail. I think I want to do Waterway. And then maybe we'll come out another time and do the marsh, even though the Waterway Trail is looking pretty marshy. I don't know how long I want to keep these videos. Put in the comments how long should I keep these videos. There's a lot of sounds going on around me right now. Oh, that might be a nice picture. Oh, hold up. That's there we go. Let's have the bench as the main focus. And then let's put the boat. Still vertical one. Let's do this. Nah. Nice. Let's see how those turn out. Those are probably going to turn out pretty nice. And then let's just do one of this. I think I like the landscape of this one better. I'm gonna still take the portrait of this. Nice. It is pretty noisy in here. We obviously, it's mandatory to take at least one picture of the trail. It's pretty mandatory. Nice. You can never go wrong with a trail point of view picture. And then one going back. It's like an ominous picture. Like the light is almost there. Dang, I just ran into a spider web. That was not nice. Turn down that ISO. Nice. Let's actually, hold up. Yeah, that's nice. Do I want the tree in it? Nah, it's okay. Oh, now this one might be nice with the trees in it. Framing the boats. Kind of like that. Yeah. Oh, that one like might be nice. Let's see how that looks in editing. That'd be nice. I love the way these plants look in pictures. I don't know why they look so nice when I edit them in pictures. Something like this. Let's switch to focus. Let's see how that looks. That might look nice. You guys will see. Let's see if there's anything we can get over here. I keep running into spider webs. Maybe the two boats again. The tree right there. It's kind of nice. Yeah, that looked kind of nice. I don't want to keep, I feel like we got enough of the boats, but I'm going to take another one. You can never have too many. They can get put in like a garage. What is that? A collage. Oh, look at the bridge over there. That might be nice if we can get over there. Well, if the trail leads all the way over there. That's actually kind of nice right there. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Nice. I gotta wave my arm so I don't run into any more spider webs. I think last video I had I think it was 27 pictures. I finished. I feel like I edited it pretty fast. I feel like the pictures took most of the editing. I mean, I feel like that's going to be how it is most of these videos, where the picture is going to be majority of the edit. I don't think I'll end the majority of the edit. For it raining a lot, it's actually not that wet. Not that wet out here. I think next video I do might be maybe sunset pictures. Who knows? I gotta find like a sunset spot out here though. I don't have too many sunset spots out here. If I go back to Hampton, I know a lot of sunset spots that are pretty nice. I was actually supposed to be taking pictures in Hampton. The like greenery over here is kind of nice. Greenery. Yeah, I said greenery. I just don't. Let's see. We can take one. Hold on, let me get this out your way. My bad. I love this lens because it goes down to, I think the lowest it is 1.8 aperture. That's nice. That is nice. I do need a lens for, I do need a telephoto lens though. I do not have one yet. I should really get one, so I can start taking pictures when I go to games and stuff. Maybe some wildlife pictures. We got a two-way split, or is it just one way? No, it's two-way. Let's go right. Right is, you always go right. If you don't know where to go, go right. See what we got over here. I think we're pretty close to the end, honestly. Let's take a picture over here. Let's take a picture of this tree. This tree looks pretty nice. Let's go like this. Nah, it's getting covered up. Yeah, there we go. Pump up the ISO. The tree and the boat in the picture, nice. 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 All the boat pictures. I actually have a decent amount of boat pictures on my Instagram. Funny enough. Oh, this might be a nice little landscape picture right here. If we can, of course the boat is in the way. Maybe if we get down a little bit more, we can get a shot of just the landscape. Yeah, here we go. Not going down there. I kind of want to get one without the trees. The boat is still in the way. Look at this boat. This boat is like, get me in the picture, please. I want to be in the picture. Get me in the picture. And then we kind of got like a little water reflection of the clouds. Like just a little one. I think I can bring that out in the editing. I think I can bring that out. Let me know if you guys want to see like an editing video. I've also seen that. That might be nice too. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look at this. Oh, okay. I know I said I'm done with the boat pictures, but this is kind of this is kind of nice. I don't know if I like this one too much. That's kind of nice. There we go. Hold up. Let me see if I can get down a little bit more without falling. Let's not fall. There we go. Let's see if we can get some of just the landscape. I think that's the best we gonna get. Nice. Okay. See if I can get some. Oh yeah, look at that. I I kind of have a picture just like this on my Instagram. As you can see, the sun is kind of setting right now. Too bad I'm going the complete opposite direction of the sun though. And I probably should get out of here before it gets too dark. It's not getting too dark now, but the sun is setting. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. So let's get it. Let's go on with the tree frame in it. Yeah, that's nice. I think I'm gonna head back in a few. Yeah, I think the trail is ending anyways. Yep. Trail has definitely ended. Oh, hold up. It's getting a little skinny now. Oh, here we go. Here's a nice one. Yeah, there we go. Here's a nice one of just the scenery. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm sorry. Nice. Can we get that? Looks kind of nice. Nice. Okay. I think I am satisfied with this picture taken. Next time we come out here, we'll do the marsh. There we go. Marsh. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I don't know if you guys can see this picture, but this is the only angle I can kind of take it from. Let's try to turn it up the brightness, the ISO. Oh yeah, I think I like that one. Comment your favorite picture below too. Oh gosh, I almost fell. I didn't almost fall. Oh yeah, I think we're done. Oh, hold up. I think I see a picture I like. I gotta go a little further. I think I see a picture I like. And then we can be done. Hopefully y'all let me get this picture. Come on. Let me get this bridge picture. I don't have too many bridge pictures. Give me a good shot. Give me a good shot. I think I see one. I think I see one. Yes. Yes. We got it. If I had my other camera, my other lens, I could zoom in a little bit more, but this should do. Yes. Crazy thing is, I don't even know what bridge that is. Okay, and now we are done. I will see you when I'm doing the outro. And we are back. It's not to do the outro outside because why not? The sun looks kind of nice, so might as well. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment some places below where I should go. Comment what picture was your favorite, and comment ways I can make the videos better. Don't forget, follow the IG. It is DominicB_photography, and yeah, I will see you next time.